Are you struggling with hair loss and unsure what the next step should be? Welcome to Global Education. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions worldwide: hair loss. Whether you're noticing a receding hairline, thinning hair, or bald patches, this episode will explore the causes, treatments, and the best ways to restore your hair. Hair loss can be caused by a variety of factors, but one of the most common is androgenic alopecia, also known as male pattern hair loss or female pattern hair loss. This condition is often hereditary and progresses gradually, but understanding the 50% rule can help. If your hair follicle diameter reduces by more than 50%, it becomes harder to regrow hair. That's why early intervention is key to stopping hair loss in its tracks. Treatments like hair transplants or medications such as Minoxidil have proven effective in stimulating hair growth. Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash, a specialist in hair restoration, often discusses the importance of identifying hair loss causes early to implement the right treatment. Understanding how to stop hair loss before it progresses too far is critical. Another common hair loss condition we'll discuss is alopecia areata, an autoimmune disorder causing patchy hair loss. This condition can affect anyone from the scalp to the beard, leading to bald patches. The good news is, with proper treatment, such as corticosteroids or non-scarring alopecia treatments, many patients experience hair regrowth. Cosmetic options like hair extensions or wigs can also be helpful in managing the visible effects. Hair loss can have a significant emotional and psychological impact, but understanding your options, whether through medical treatments, lifestyle adjustments, or cosmetic solutions, can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment on your experiences, positive or negative, and hit that subscribe button for more health content from Global Education.